Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in Mcx crude oil using trend channels. So normally we use 3-minute candlestick chart, and we draw a few trend channels to identify the twists and turns in the day trading trend. Now let us draw the first trend channel. So this is going to be a downtrend channel. By connecting the high recently created, we had drawn a downtrend channel. The objective is very clear. In order for the market to gain buying, it is very much necessary the price breaks this blue line. If that is not happening, at least it should take some support within this violet line. If both the things are not happening, if the price is trading below the violet line, always it indicates a weakness or continuation of the downtrend. So if the price is breaking this red line, it critically indicates the strengthening of the downtrend. So be very careful with this. Now let us draw the second trend channel. So this is the uptrend channel. So I had picked the low created here, and we had projected an uptrend channel. The objective of this channel is very clear. The price should not come below this blue line or below 800. If the price is trading within this channel, there is no issues about the uptrend. So in order for the trend to be very strong, it should be trading above this red line, so that it gives us a signal that the trend is strong, or above this violet line. If it is trading below this violet line, it always indicates some danger in the uptrend. So be careful with this. So we believe that these two trend channels will help you in determining or identifying the day trading trends. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.